Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Know whether you're on Windows 10/11 or Mac OS and put the text cursor where the emoji should appear. Once done, press the single shortcut for your system. Windows users press the Windows key plus period. Mac OS users press Control plus Command plus space. This opens the emoji picker instantly. You don't need extra apps. Make sure your keyboard is active and the window accepting. Once the picker is visible, navigate it with arrow keys, tab, or your mouse to reach categories like smileys, objects, and symbols. If you want a specific emoji, type a short keyword to filter results quickly. The search speeds selection. Make sure to check for skin tone or variant options. Most pickers show a small selector. To insert, press Enter or click the emoji. It will paste into the active text field. Close with ESC or the shortcut again. Finish by confirming the emoji landed in your text and continue typing. If the picker fails to open, make sure the shortcut isn't reassigned in keyboard settings and that your OS is updated. Some features require recent builds. For Windows, enable the Touch Keyboard or Emoji panel in Settings Personalization if needed. If problems persist, restart the app or use the on-screen keyboard as a temporary workaround. One key tip: check focus. The picker won't open unless the cursor is in a text.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.